Hi everybody, let's continue our painting exercise. We are exploring different outcomes using the same source image, materials, and techniques. This is the third composition out of 8. For that, we will need watercolor paper, watercolor, brushes, something to mix the paint, water, cloth, cotton ball, and cotton buds. Depending on the brand of the watercolor that you're using, the color will be firmer or it's going to be a little bit more pale. And if you want it to be stronger, you're going to have to layer that color, okay? You're gonna have to apply coat over coat until the color is as strong as you intend it to. As you can see, I'm just using the cotton ball to apply the bigger chunks of color and using a larger brush to make the outlines. After it dried, I added a little bit more of the brown tones just to add a little bit more contrast because the whole thing got a little bit, way too pale. So I did that in order to make it a little bit more dramatic. Each composition took an average of 15 to 20 minutes to complete, and this is the third of 8 compositions, and you're welcome to explore the others. As always, keep on practicing, and thank you for joining us.